Brand new construction row house located in the High Point Road area. Beautiful views from the rear double-tier deck/patio area. Main level boasts laundry and powder room, as well as an open floor plan with a kitchen separating the living room and dining room. The large kitchen island offers bar seating, while granite countertops complement the farmhouse-style kitchen. The second level has a primary bedroom with a full bath and walk-in closet, as well as 2 additional bedrooms and a full second bath. The basement level has over 700 square feet of storage space that can easily be converted to living space or use as a gaming cave, host sporting event watch parties, get a pool table. The sky is the limit with all of this additional space,